everybody. In fact, good morning. So I woke up as every single day I do. What do I do first? Is brushing my teeth. Yes. And a lot of my fans requested me to do a video where I brush my teeth. If you like me brushing my teeth, if you like to see me brushing my teeth, then stay tuned and continue watching me on this video. So here I am this morning. This is my toothbrush and my tongue brush. And this is obviously toothpaste, my favorite toothpaste. When I brush my teeth, I brush them for a couple of minutes. But obviously this is just a video to enjoy me brushing my teeth. So it's quicker than usual that I do. Then I take tongue brush, thank you for watching me. Now I go and rinse my mouth. So see you soon in the next video.